Hello, good morning students. As a part of our laboratory experimental activities, we have been doing many experiments. Today, I want to show you an interesting experiment where we can prove Ohm's law. Ohm's law is defined as the voltage is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor at constant temperature. This should be kept in mind. The temperature of the system should not be changed. Now let us go to the experiment. Aim of the experiment is to verify Ohm's law experimentally. The apparatus required. This is the resistor whose resistance has to be measured, and this is the rheostat. By using rheostat, we can vary the current flowing through the resistor. This is the multimeter. Multimeter is a device. By using this, we can measure multiple functions without changing the meter. Generally, when you say voltmeter, by using that only voltage can be measured. But using multimeter, one can measure voltage, current, and resistance can be measured. Now let us start the experiment. Let us connect the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. From the power supply, it should be connected to the resistor. Other end of the resistor should be connected to rheostat. Rheostat should be connected to the ammeter. From the ammeter, it should be connected back to the power supply. One thing should be kept in mind: whenever we are using ammeter, it should be connected in series, and whenever we are using voltmeter, it should be connected in parallel. Let us start the experiment. To begin with, we have to switch on the power supply. When we switch on the power supply, I have to put the multimeter in the current mode to find out whether there is current flowing through the circuit or not. Once the current meter shows me some reading, I am sure that the experiment is going in right direction, the circuit is completed. The current flowing through the conductor is 0.3 amps. To measure the voltage, I have to keep the multimeter in voltage mode and also in proper range. Let me measure the voltage. Voltage is 3 volts. Since R can be calculated by simple mathematics, it has turned out to be 10 ohms. Let us perform the experiment for different voltages across the resistor and find the current up respectively. Let us try for consistency. Consistency of the experiment is the basic requirement. Now let us give different voltages to the resistor and find the corresponding current going through the resistor. The tabular column shows the values of different voltages and the corresponding currents flowing through the conductor. It has turned out to be the same. The experiment is verified for consistency as well. The verification of the Ohm's law is done. Is it understood? Are you happy? Thank you.